Hey there, my name is Dan Hughes. I'm with Alban CAT Rental Solutions. I'm here to talk to you today about the Alban CAT Rental UPS system. You might ask yourself, what is a UPS? A UPS, or Uninterruptible Power Supply, is a piece of electrical equipment that provides emergency power to a load when the import source, typically utility power, fails. A UPS differs from an emergency power system or standby generator in that it will provide instantaneous, seamless protection from input power interruptions by supplying stored energy. Who needs a UPS? A UPS is typically used to protect essential loads such as computers, data centers, telecommunication equipment, or other electrical equipment where an unexpected power disruption could cause injuries, fatalities, serious business disruption, or data loss. How can a UPS system save you money? Some major U.S. businesses report big losses during power disruptions. Companies like Google could lose up to $1,800 per second when the power goes out. There are two types of systems, a flywheel UPS and a battery UPS. The battery system is older technology. On a battery UPS system, AC power comes in from the utility source, converts to DC power through a battery charger. DC power is then stored in batteries until a utility outage occurs. DC power is then supplied by the batteries to an inverter, which converts DC power back to AC. Battery systems are not very efficient to run and use a lot of utility power to maintain the batteries and require a lot of maintenance. Let's talk about the Alban CAT flywheel system that we have in our rental fleet. The flywheel system uses the inertia of a high-mass spinning flywheel to provide short-term ride-through during the event of a power loss. The flywheel also acts as a buffer against power spikes and sags, since such short-term power events are not able to appreciably affect the rotational speed of the high-mass flywheel. A UPS flywheel system requires no batteries. The UPS and flywheel are in one compact system and use about a quarter of the space that its battery counterpart of similar size. The UPS flywheel system stores kinetic energy as opposed to chemical energy. Usable power typically lasts 15 to 60 seconds and acts as a bridge to ride through the period that it takes to bring the emergency power source online. The UPS system that Alban CAT provides is a 98% high efficiency system and uses about a quarter of the power that it takes to run its battery counterpart. Let's take a look at our 900 kVA UPS system. We have a utility input and an emergency input. This is where we're going to hook up our utility source and our emergency generator source. We have two automatic transfer switches inside the Alban CAT Rental UPS. The first automatic transfer switch is going to control essential loads. The second is non-essential loads. We have multiple breakers inside the unit which control different sources and different outputs. All of our rental UPS systems are completely self-contained with their own temperature control system for air conditioning and heating. This maintains the humidity and moisture control inside the unit. This is the inside of the UPS system. We have multiple control boards, a self-contained vacuum system, and the flywheel itself. Let's do an operational test on the 600 kVA UPS system provided by Alban CAT Rental Solutions. This is our utility generator. It's a 200 kW rental package from Alban CAT. This is going to send power to our utility side of our UPS. This is our 200 kW generator that we will use as our emergency backup. This is our 100 kW load bank, which will signify our essential load. This is the 600 kVA self-contained Alban CAT Rental UPS. It is a flywheel type UPS. Take a look at the bus bar connections on the 600 kVA. As you can see, we're attached at the UPS utility input, UPS emergency input, and UPS essential load output. Let's go ahead and do an actual test of the UPS system with our essential load bank. Our utility generator, 200 kW, is currently running, supplying power to the utility input on the UPS. Our flywheel is spinning at 7,000 RPMs. We'll disconnect the power from the utility generator, which will send our automatic transfer switch to the essential load on the UPS system. Our UPS will then power the load for the time that it takes to start the emergency generator and transfer. As you can see, our load bank has not shut off. Thank you for watching the Alban CAT Rental Solutions UPS video. All you'll ever need, Alban CAT Rental Solution.